Hello kids! I'm Ellie and today we want to learn some fruits. At first, let's learn some colors. Yellow color, dark blue color, red color, pink color, gray color, light blue color, brown color, light orange color, dark green color, purple color, black color, dark orange color, light pink color, light green color, brown color, colorful, strawberry, strawberry, banana, banana, apple, apple, grape, grape, watermelon, watermelon, cherry, cherry. Now we want to paint strawberry. Red color, red color. We are painting strawberry with red color. Look at here and try to paint with me. Be careful. A strawberry, a red strawberry. Oh, delicious. I like a strawberry. Green color, green color. Oh, look at here. Look at here. So funny. Strawberry. Now we want to paint banana. Banana is yellow color. Banana is yellow. Do you like banana? It's so delicious. Banana. It's yellow color. Banana. Now we want to paint apple. An apple. I want to paint apple with red color. Do you like red color? Do you like red apple? Oh, yummy! I like it. Apple is so good for your health. It's a red apple. Green color. Let's paint with green color. Grape. Grape. It's grape. I want to paint grape with purple color. Purple color. Oh, it's yummy. Yummy. Do you like grape? It's so good for you. We can eat grape. It's so delicious. Purple color. Purple color. Brown color. Brown color. It's brown color. Yummy. Watermelon. Watermelon. We are painting watermelon with red color. Red color. Oh, watermelon is so sweet. Do you like watermelon? It's so healthy for you. Look at here. Now we use green color. Light green color. Light green color. Dark green color. Now we use dark green color. Oh, great! Cherry. We want to paint cherry. Red color. Red color. Cherry is red. Cherry is red color. Look at here. So funny. Please paint with me. Good. Cherry is so healthy for you. Now I want to use green. Light green color. Light green color. Oh, we finished it. Fruits. They are fruits. They're so delicious. Strawberry, banana, pineapple, grape, watermelon, and cherry. They are so healthy for you. Please watch my next video. Hello kids! Today we want to draw some fruits with each other. Let's go! Oh, which fruit is it? Do you know? That's right, you're so clever. It's cherry. Repeat after me, cherry. Now I want to draw a strawberry. Do you like strawberry? It's so delicious. I like it. Fruits are so good for your healthy. Do you like to eat fruits? Oh, which fruit is it? Do you know? That's right, it's banana. So yummy. Now I want to draw a watermelon. Don't forget to subscribe me, kids. Oh, what is it? Do you know? I guess it's a grape. Wow, it's so yummy. I like it. Now I want to draw an apple. So healthy for you. Let's color our fruits with each other. At first, I'm using red color for my cherry. Oh, our cherries are so happy. We can make jam with cherry. So yummy. Oh, our cherry is awake. Hello, cherry.
If you like to see my other videos, please subscribe me, kids. Let's color our grapes so colorful. At first, I'm using pink color. And then purple color. Do you like it? Which color do you like to use now? What about orange color? That's so great! Keep going, kids. I'm sure we can coloring very well. Now I want to coloring my apple with yellow color. Do you like yellow apple? So yummy! Banana. Banana is yellow color. If you like to see my other videos, please subscribe me. Our watermelon is so sweet. That's so great! We finished! Thank you for watching me. Bye-bye!